How to invite friends on Temu app. Want to invite your friends to Temu and maybe even earn some rewards? Let me show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Hi there and welcome to One Stop Solution. Today, I will show you how to invite your friends to Temu and it's easier than you think. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap the U button at the bottom of the screen to go to your profile page. At the top of your profile page, tap on the gear icon to access the settings. Scroll down and look for the Share this app option. Tap on it to start the invitation process. You will now see several options to send the referral link, like via message, Facebook, Messenger, and more. I'm going to use WhatsApp to send the link. Go ahead and send the link to your friend and you're done. You have successfully invited a friend to Temu. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.